When you look at the partnership we have in Onondaga County with Syracuse University, first off, they're one of our key community stakeholders, one of our key anchor employers. We knew that we needed our anchor university in the community to do more directly in the semiconductor space. And that's why we put forward $10 million, which is leveraged over $100 million the university will make over a period of 5 years to really double down on their efforts to attract more talent and specifically to help really bolster this ecosystem that we're trying to create here in Onondaga County.
Syracuse University has been a great partner. Certainly, we've been working very closely with the university's leadership with respect to the engagement necessary to win the Micron project. The university is making a substantial investment with their new research center to help provide the workforce of the future that's going to be able to be tapped into by Micron to make their project a success.
We're very excited for the opportunity to create, in partnership with Onondaga County, the Center for Advanced Semiconductor Manufacturing. For us, it's one of these enduring long-term plays, putting us in a position as a university to contribute to economic development.
Of all the places I've ever been, I've never seen a university commit more fully to an area and an industry like Syracuse University is committed. The top industries in the world want to be somewhere where there's this great ecosystem of new thoughts and innovation and new developments, and how do you stay in front of your competition? It is easily, in my career, the most exciting moment I've ever been a part of.
You have really a workforce development pipeline from early childhood all the way through research and development. And so we really studied and learned what was going to be necessary here in Onondaga County to really help differentiate our story. And that's why when we're going through this courtship process with Micron, we put on the table real money to help go to research and development dollars locally.
Our hope is to expand our School of Engineering, almost double it over the course of the next 5 to 7 years. Those students that will come from all over the world represent inputs to that workforce pipeline. And this center is going to be one of the things that becomes an attractant to that talent.
That's going to be a very unique facility because it's going to bring together research, education, and inspiration. We've got a lot of young men and women in this area that are looking at the arrival of all of this industry and trying to figure out where they fit into it.
In order for Micron to be successful, the university, Onondaga County, have to work in partnership not only to train up the workforce, but also provide opportunities for supply chain partners to locate within the community. We're working diligently with Syracuse University in terms of educational collaboration with supply chain partners that are both domestic and foreign.
I think when the county executive and Senator Schumer and the governor were in this very building we're in announcing that Micron is coming to Central New York, one of them described it as, this generation's Erie Canal moment. And I think that is true for Syracuse University as well. And our partnership with the county, with Micron, is going to put us right in the middle of those generationally important conversations that are going to be driven right here in Central New York.
What's going to happen next is that we're going to think about how do you launch new businesses and new industries? Because you can imagine all of these folks coming here from all over the world to help with the semiconductor economy and want to work in this field. But then getting together, maybe their kids are on the same soccer team and they get together and they start talking about great ideas for startups. They'll stay if they can find the workforce. They'll stay if they can find the thought leaders, and they'll stay if Onondaga County continues to be as forward-looking as they've been over the last 2 or 3 decades.
Chancellor Severud, Vice Chancellor Haney, and Dean Cole-Smith have been key partners from day one, really, on this project. We knew we had a partner we could lean on. They have really made a commitment to continuing to produce and attract veteran labor. And now with their $100 million plus commitment to really double their capacity and graduating more engineers out of Syracuse University to really create more jobs with faculty, that will help us draw more students. And that's what we need. They've been an invaluable partner.